reporting channel. For today, I am the news reporter of this academy and going to present some of the important news headlines in front of you all. So let's start. So firstly, I would like to tell you a very threatening news, a very threatening international news coming from the US. So let's start. So as you all know that Donald Trump is going to become the president of the USA. So he is going to block some of the canals of the India of the world. And now the second news report is that Donald Trump is threatening to the world that he will take the control over the canal again. And the third news report is that Mitsubishi Motors, Nissan and also the Honda is going to collab on the date of the May 2025. And the fifth news is that Minecraft is going to release is one of the most important fantastic version, that is 1.22, which will have too many updates in that. And the sixth news is that the Bangladesh is asking to the India for returning his ex prime minister, who is Sheikh Hasina, for some of the judicial processes. And the next news is that Rahul Gandhi has met with a diseased family of a youth in of the Maharashtra, and he has told to take so many steps for them. And the next news is that the Bangladesh localist has lost 0.54% in its forest. As a result, it has been found that Bangalore is now under the list of one of the most greenest metros. And the next news is that the Shimla is now getting the snowfall, to which the Christians are thinking as the blessings of the God. And the next news is that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has thought to take the participation in the Christmas celebration, which is going to be hosted by the Catholic Bishops Christians Conference of India. And the next and the last news is that the defense militaries of the India has thought to develop so many bases in the Lakshadweep, as the Lakshadweep is 400 km far from the India but 100 km far from the Maldives. Therefore, for the safety of the Lakshadweep, they have taken the such of step. At the last, I just only want to say that if you want to be updated with the world, and so we continued with the RKS Campus News Reporting channel. So thank you and nice day.